After taking my hair out of my towel, I chose the soft smoothing attachment. It easily and effortlessly clicks, and you just push the power button. It seamlessly combs through my hair as it dries. I like to go up and under to get to the roots, and it just glides through easily. Then I switch to the other side. As you can see, it brings out all the waves and it makes it nice and smooth. These are the attachments that my Dyson has. And I like to go up to the top and get the roots like that a little bit. It gives it a little bit more oomph up above on the top of my head. Don't forget to subscribe. Do you have a Dyson? And so then I get it almost dry, and then I switch to the next.